listening intuitively and connecting with your heart and your inner vibration is the most important part of choosing or helping you and your crystal choose each other for the work you're going to do today or any day. Last night I was just absolutely positively sure I was going to work with my Amphibole Quartz. Had it set out and everything, and this morning it's like, yeah, as much as I want to, I'm not really feeling it. I wasn't really connected with it in the sense that it's today's crystal. So I took in a deep breath and I said, all right, which one of you comes with me today on my walk? And it happens to be this amazingly beautiful, oh my gosh, look at the color of this thing. This is my Shangaan Amethyst point, and it is one of the crystals of the violet flame, and in my humble opinion, one of the most powerful and empowering violet flame crystals. Why do I say that? Well, from my experience of working with crystals, minerals, and stones for more than 30 years now, this Shangaan Amethyst, and it has been cut off or fell off or whatever you want to call it from its quartz point. What this is actually is a clear quartz rod or point, and amethyst grows around it. So in essence, most, if not all, of the Shangaan Amethyst points, no matter if they have a longer shaft or not, are also phantoms or manifestation crystals, because it was first clear quartz and then morphed into amethyst, and these come from Shangaan, South Africa. I have a larger piece, and this is the one that comes with me today, and it's easier to carry for one, and the color is extraordinary. Look at that. Amethyst is one of my most favorite. Okay, they're all my favorites. Anyway, what it has helped me feel is clearer, balanced, and freer to do what I want to do today in an aligned way that I may not have been able to connect with had I gone with what I wanted to work with. Does that mean I never listened to myself? Of course I listened to myself, and that's why, or how, Shangaan Amethyst came with me today instead of my Amphibole Quartz. I will probably work with my Amphibole Quartz next to me while I'm doing my work today. Whatever your plans for today, what crystal, mineral, or stone is calling you to hold or just be beside you today? Have an amazing day, beautiful soul.